Okay guys, I'm going to take a quick look at the Discord. There's a couple of Ask Scruff questions. I'm just kind of getting back into the throng of things, so bear with me while I sort things out. So this is for Crispy. And the answer, or the question rather, is around a box breakout. Well, essentially, the box is just a momentum push off the open. So it's all the volume thrown into the market, decides its direction, and then that volume continues. Now, off the London Open, you start your box at 8 o'clock, finishes it at 9 o'clock. And then you want to give it an hour, maybe it's an hour and a half, to see if that momentum is shown any sort of strength inside it. You'll often hear me say it, I'll give it an hour. Well, that's a certain strategy that's based off the open. So it's an hour, 2 hours max. So if it hasn't really triggered by 11 o'clock, you can kind of assume that the box strategy is dead. Now, if you've got a bigger strategy, in other words, you are looking at 4-hour candles and you think the dominant direction is X for the given day, then there's no reason why you can't leave the box on and use it as a confirmation of, yeah, it's breaking through the box. So my initial direction is correct. But if you're just looking for a basic box trade of 5 to 10 pips, which is what it's based, or the breadth of the box itself, it needs to have triggered and be in motion within the first hour and a half to 2 hours max. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.